Hello, welcome. My name is Thomas from Your Health, My Happiness, and today's topic is on weight loss. How long does it take to lose weight? Well, we are going to find out right now here on my channel in this video. Okay, alright. So the first thing we need to move into introduction. Okay, let's check on the introduction of weight loss. Weight loss occurs when you consistently consume fewer calories than you burn each day. Okay, so when you burn more of your calories more than what you consume, definitely weight loss will set in. You will gradually begin to lose weight. So one of the ways for you to understand or what you need to apply is that when you burn out more calories per day, more than what you consume, more than the food you consume, more food that you burn out, more energies that you burn out, definitely the weight loss, you begin to reduce in body mass. Okay, all right. So let's look at the factors affecting weight loss. First of the factor that affects weight loss on my list is gender. Okay, between men and women, we will understand who among the two genders has greater percentage of weight loss than which other gender. Okay, all right. So first, that gender, let's understand that fat to muscle ratio greatly affects your ability to lose weight. Okay, so first thing we need to understand is that because women typically have greater fat to muscle ratio than men, they have 5 to 10% lower than men of the same height. Do you understand what that is saying now? All right. This means that women generally burn 5 to 10% fewer calories than men at rest. Thus, men tend to lose weight quicker than women following a diet equal in calories, meaning that if you share the same quantity of diet to a man and a woman, women tends to add more weight, okay, while men don't tend to add weight. So, it's quicker, thereby, if need be, that the two people need to undergo weight loss exercise or weight loss program. Okay, the result shows that men quickly react on the program of weight loss than female. Okay, all right. For example, an 8-week study include over 2,000 participants on an 800 calories diet found that men lost 16% more weight than women. Wow. With relative weight loss of 11.8% in men and 10.3% in women. So men tends to lose weight faster than women. Okay. Yet, while men tended to lose weight quicker than women, the study didn't analyze gender-based differences in the ability to maintain weight loss. So even if men tends to lose weight far quicker than women, there's no analysis that shows that this weight loss will maintain over a period of time. Okay, all right. So another factor that also affects weight loss is age. One of the many bodily changes that occur with aging is alteration in body composition. Fat mass increases and muscle mass decreases. This change, along with other factors like declining calorie needs of your major organs, contributes to lower RMR. In fact, adults over age 70 can have RMRs that are 20 to 25% lower than those of the younger adults. This decrease in RMR can make weight loss increasingly difficult with age. Okay, so the two factors that happens to affect weight loss, the first one is gender, the second one is age. Okay, so let's look at the third one that has to do with calorie deficit. You must create a negative calorie balance to lose weight. The extent of this calorie deficit affects how quickly you lose weight. For example, consuming 500 fewer calories per day for 8 weeks will likely result in greater weight loss than eating 200 fewer calories per day. However, be sure not to make your calorie deficit too large. Okay, all right. Then doing so would not only be unsustainable, but also put you at risk for nutrient deficiency. So when you are working out, when you are scheduling yourself on a program of weight loss, please don't do it on a minimal tendency. Okay, don't just overstretch it. Don't do it so that you will not find yourself in deficiency of nutrient. All right, so balance it, okay, so that you will live long. Yeah, so you will live long. Okay, so another one is sleep. Okay, sleep tends to be an overlooked yet crucial component of weight loss. Chronic sleep loss can significantly hinder weight loss and speed at which you shed pounds. Certainly, when you don't have adequate sleep, you tend to lose weight. Okay, at the highest speed, at the rapid stage, okay, you are going to lose weight. Just one night of sleep deprivation has been shown to increase your desire for high calorie, nutrient poor food such as cookies, cakes, sugary beverage and chips. Alright, let me take it again. Just one night of sleep deprivation has been shown to increase your desire for high calorie, nutrient poor food such as cookies, cakes, sugary beverages and chips. Alright. 2-week study randomized participants on calorie restricted diet to sleep either 5.5 or 8.5 hours each night. Those who slept 5.5 hours lost 55% less body fat and 60% more lean body mass than those who slept 8.5 hours per night. Meaning that reduced sleep causes causes weight loss. That's what it means. Okay, so a reduced sleep causes weight loss. Consequently, chronic sleep deprivation is strongly linked to type 2 diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and certain cancers. Okay, so don't deprive yourself of sleep. You have to sleep. You have to have adequate sleep so that you will not have cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Okay, so not due to the cost of you trying to work on your weight, you develop other diseases because you've really stretched or deprive yourself from sleep. All right, so there are other factors that also affect weight loss. So several other factors can affect weight loss rate, including medications. Many medications such as antidepressants and other antipsychotics can promote weight gain or hinder weight loss. Another one is medical condition, illness, including depression and a condition in which your thyroid gland produces too few metabolism regulating hormones can slow weight loss and encourage weight. Alright, next one is family history and genes. This is a well-established genetics component associated with people who have overweight or obesity, and it may affect weight loss. Right, now let me explain this point. Family history and gene. Maybe your father happens to be a man that is fat, has fat component, or your mother, or your family history, your siblings or your aunts from your paternal or from your maternal side. Okay, now if your family have this history of fatness in them, weight, or having excess weight in them, definitely do with genetics. Okay, and that alone might slow the rate of your weight loss because it is genetically. Okay, it will definitely slow it. You might not have the actual result that others are having. So also have that in mind. If you are from the family, or if you are genetically being blessed with weight, let me use that, so you know that it will take time for your weight loss program to really establish the result that you need. Okay, so another one is your diet. In this program, this pattern of losing and regaining weight can make weight loss increasingly difficult and each attempt due to decreasing. So definitely this is what this thing is saying. Definitely you might lose weight today, tomorrow you gain weight again. Okay, it's actually most of the time it's genetically. Okay, so you don't need to be discouraged. All right, so do your exercise, do what you want to take. Maybe you want to take some fruit or some juice or some food that can help you reduce your weight. Keep on taking it, okay, and then you'll be fine. All right, so please, if this, do well to click on the subscription button, like it, share it with anybody, with everybody and anybody, to your friends, your enemy. Let them see and let them know what you are also benefiting from this video. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Plateau Thomas from Your Health, My Happiness. So it's my always and my utmost desire that your health is always my happiness. So be in good health. Thank you very much.